Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 15, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 3.23. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. It's worth noting that the stock has experienced a notable gain of 8.44%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.28% since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in a weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye on the top trend line at $434.34. A breakup will indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 8.87% change over the next 3 months. This means there could be a return between -0.351% and 9.18%. Now, let's consider the 12-month trend. It suggests a 16.24% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 3.48% to 16.48%. In other words, the price could reach anywhere between $448.21 and $504.52 after 1 year. Our latest update for VOO brings an interesting headline: Red Day on Friday for VOO ETF after a decrease of 0.148%. On the last day of trading, Friday, December 15, 2023, the price of VOO ETF experienced a decline of -0.148%, dropping from $433.78 to $433.14. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.463%, reaching a low of $432.25 and a high of $434.25. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing an overall increase of 2.67% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally seen as a positive sign since volume tends to follow the ETF's movement. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -3 million shares on the last day, with a total of 5 million shares being bought and sold, resulting in a value of approximately $2.28 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price the ETF reached was $435.36, while the lowest price was $344.34. Currently, the price stands at 0.51% lower than the 52-week high, which corresponds to a decrease of $2.22, and 1.84% lower than the all-time high reached on January 4, 2022, where the price peaked at $441.26. Let's take a look at the signals for VOO. The VOO ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $427.75 and $411.65. However, if the price breaks below these levels, it could trigger sell signals. It's worth noting that there have been some negative signals as well, which may impact the short-term development of the stock. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decrease of -0.148% so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. The volume of trading has decreased along with the price, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. In the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line intersect in a special combination. Such occurrences are rare and often followed by significant and sustained gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence-divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator generated a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands are indicating a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is showing a sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 28 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for VOO. VOO, an ETF, has found support from accumulated volume at $432.34. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. In general, VOO exhibits controlled movements and has good liquidity, making the risk associated with this stock very low. Looking at its recent performance, VOO had a range of $2 between its high and low in the last trading day, which is equivalent to a 0.463% change. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.85%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $433.78. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be best to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $432.34. If this support level manages to hold, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss for this ETF is set at $418.26, which represents a decrease of 3.44%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. However, it's important to note that the RSI 14 currently stands at 81, indicating increased risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated by a pivot top discovered just 1 day ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive indicators and a generally positive trend for VOO ETF in the short term. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for VOO ETF to perform well. When we examine the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, December 18th, we expect VOO to open up by $0.0733 and start trading at $433.21. Before we proceed, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We're curious to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We also want to know your target for the ETF. If you find this information helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're here to support your trading journey and wish you all the success in your trades. Have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.